In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1b. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is add insult to injury. Meaning: to worsen a bad situation. Sentence: to add insult to injury, the robbers snatched their phones and left them in a desert. Number 2. Ace the test or exam. Meaning: to perform well in test, get a higher grade in exam. Sentence: he aced the test and was selected for the job. Number 3. Acid test. Meaning: a rigorous or crucial test. Sentence: after going through acid test, he got a better position. Number 4. All agog. Meaning: excited, surprised. Sentence: his friends were all agog to see his result. That was unbelievable for them. Number 5. Apple of discord. Meaning: cause of anger or strife. Sentence: the inherited property became the apple of discord between the two brothers. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.